Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create and lock a folder on an Apple Mac computer. Creating a safe password protected folder isn't a bad idea if you have important files, such as passwords, spreadsheets, or personal info. And creating a new folder to collect all of the files and then turning them into an encrypted disk image is pretty simple. To start, we'll look at a few files here on my desktop. These are the ones that I want to lock. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and then choose New Folder. Give the new folder a name like Locked. Next, drag the files into the new folder that you want to protect. Once you're done, open Disk Utility. The quickest way is to select Spotlight Search on the top right menu bar and then type Disk Utility. With Disk Utility open, choose File, New Image, and then Image from Folder. Inside of the next folder, browse to where you saved the new folder to, in this example, my desktop. Choose the folder and then you'll get the Save As window. You can then rename the folder if you'd like and where you'd like to save it to. At the bottom though, we have our encryption options. Choose encryption and change it to what you want to use. 128 is probably fine and actually recommended, but 256 will give it even more protection, just a lot slower. Once you make your choice, you'll then be prompted with a password box. Enter in a rememberable but secure password and then hit Choose. Next, you can change the image format to whatever you'd like. If you only want to be able to read the folder in the future, then choose Read Only. I'll keep it on Compressed or Read and Write. When you're ready, hit Save. It will then create a new password encrypted disk image of your folder. Go ahead and close Disk Utility. Now, double-click on the new image and enter your password. An important note here, make sure not to keep Remember Password in my keychain checked if this is a shared computer. If someone else uses your computer and your keychain, they can easily open it, defeating the point. It will then mount the folder where you can view the contents. Now when you're finished with the folder, you have to make sure that you unmount the image by dragging it to the trash can to unmount. If you don't, the folder will be open and unlocked until you do. Also, once you're sure the files are safe inside of the new folder image, and possibly even backed up somewhere else, you can delete the originals off your computer. Just right-click on everything and choose Move to Trash. And that's how you create and lock a folder on a Mac. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.